33 birds in Igbo language. Nnono, nnono, nnono. Nnono is the generic name for birds. Ọkụkọ, ọkụkọ, ọkụkọ. Chicken. So both the male and the female are generally known as ọkụkọ. Okeọkpa, okeọkpa, okeọkpa. Rooster or cock. The younger rooster or the younger male chicken is also called cockerel. Okeọkpa, okeọkpa, rooster or cock. Nnekwu or nnekwu ọkụkọ. Nnekwu ọkụkọ, hen. Nnekwu ọkụkọ, hen. Oriọm, oriọm, oriọm. Chicks. Some people also call it nworiọm, nworiọm, nworiọm. Chicks. Ọbọgwụ, ọbọgwụ, ọbọgwụ. Duck. Nwa ọbọgwụ, nwa ọbọgwụ, nwa ọbọgwụ. Duckling. Toro toro, toro toro, toro toro. Turkey. Balakuku, balakuku, balakuku. Pigeon. Ichoku, ichoku, ichoku. Parrot. Enyi nnụnụ, enyi nnụnụ, enyi nnụnụ. Ostrich. Ikwikwi, ikwikwi, ikwikwi. Owl. Ọkwọlọ, ọkwọlọ, ọkwọlọ. Pelican. Some people call it ọkwọrị, ọkwọrị. So you either call it ọkwọlọ or ọkwọlị. Ọkwọlọ, ọkwọlọ, ọkwọrị, ọkwọrị. Pelican. Nnụnụ oke osimiri, nnụnụ oke osimiri. Seagull. Nnụnụ oke osimiri, seagull. Agụ nkwụ, agụ nkwụ, agụ nkwụ. Hawk. Eleke ntị ọba. Eleke ntị ọba. Eleke ntị ọba. Swallow. Some people call it eneke ntị ọba with an N or eneke. They all mean swallow. Eleke ntị ọba or eneke ntị ọba or eneke. Swallow. Ọbọgwụ bekee. Ọbọgwụ bekee. Ọbọgwụ bekee. Swan. Ugo. 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 Eagle. Ọgazi. 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 Guinea fowl. Ọkwa. 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 Partridge. Nduru. 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 Dove. Chekeleke. 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 Egret. Some people call it osoefi. 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 Egret. So you either call it chekeleke, 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 egret, or you call it osoefi, osoefi, osoefi. Udene. 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 Vulture. Some people call it udele. 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 Vulture. Asia. 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 Weaver bird. Some people call it asa. 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 Weaver bird. Others call it asha. 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 Weaver bird. Egbe. 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 Kite. On a clear day, it's most likely you're going to see a kite flying, and you always recognize them by the dip in their tail here. Egbe. Kite. It's known for swooping down quickly and taking, small animals or young chicks of a chicken. Egbe. Kite. Ugoloma. Ugoloma. Raven. Ugoloma. Raven. Crow is also known as the same name. Ugoloma. 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 Crow. But the raven is larger than the crow, although they answer the same name in Igbo. Ekwuru. 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 Woodpecker. Some people call it otokpokpo. 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 Woodpecker. I think this otokpokpo name is onomatopoeia, taken from the sound of the bird as it drills into a tree trunk. So you either call woodpecker ekwuru or you call it otokpokpo. They mean woodpecker. Ekwuru. 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 Woodpecker. Otokpokpo. 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 Woodpecker. Egwele. 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 Sparrow. Nza. 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 Wren. Ekwuru ụlọ. Ekwuru ụlọ. Ekwuru ụlọ. Peacock. Okpoko. 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 Hornbill. Nza. 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 Anambra waxbill. Ụgbala. 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 Black-crowned crane. Some people call it Ubana. 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 Black-crowned crane. Dalo. Thank you for watching. To improve your Igbo learning, go over to www.learnibonow.com and download our free printable flashcards, which has audio support. You'll also get access to our weekly newsletter full of useful tips to improve your Igbo language learning, history, and heritage. Come, Messia. See you on the next video.